What's up mga Megs? Natakaran na sa akong channel. Please consider subscribing kung wala pa ka nakasubscribe. And if you like ka na mga travel events, mga pakwela, Kutaw Question and everything, stay tuned always. Natadani karon sa may Casa de Canitoan, and specifically moadto ta sa Melquiades En Casa. Unsa na siya? Tanawan ni. Bawal maguyab-uyab na ni. Ladies and gentlemen, Dan and Kat of Project Lupad! Drone. Nakoy Kutaw Question para sa inyo. Patanan na ka, okay ra? Sige. Try ninyo ha.
Ito na ang Kutaw Question!
Kutaw Question is, unsa nga treat or pagkaon ang dili on time? Bisita na mga bisita na ni Casey Coray of Explorers Channel, Katawa CDO, Ton is Cool, CDO Dev, Momski CDO, Momski CDO. So kaganina lang na blessing na itabo. Second floor dun sa may Casa Canitoan reception, pwede po diha. Pero dun sa second floor, din makita ninyo ang Melquiades En Casa. Let's go. At Atino. Actually guys, kung gusto mo mali dali, kompleto na tanan, good food and then good ambience. Mo natin ginapakita, no? From more sa formal dining, but at the same time affordable kasi ang tanan kay sa 299. Sa 299 pwede na sila maka-buffet, eat all you can kada weekend. Friday, Saturday, or Sunday muna ang ilang buffet na all you can. all you can siya ha. So open siya from 10 a.m. to 2 in the afternoon. Tapos
Sa lunch na, sir.
for lunch na siya nga buffet. And then pagka alas 5, paingon sa alas 9, muna siya ang sa dinner. So 299 gyapon na siya.
Ay, sila nagluto ni sir. Lami. Wala ko yung dili binuang. Lami siya.
Sa weekday, same time gyapon, 10 to 2 and then 9 to 5 to 9. Pero pwede na ikaw imong order ng gusto. Wala na entrance, wala entrance. Wala. So, it's up to you guys. Kung gusto mo magdani with barkada, labi na ang ambience, nice kayo. Kita lang yung
Nice
mga
sa gawas pa lang daan, sa garden.
and then, parang may exclusive nimo no?
Peaceful ba siya?
Baseball siya. At yun lang yun. So,
Try to check the place.
kasi karang magod kay kasaron mga events ang mga nandun pero this time ma-open siya sa public.
Pwede ka kaingon kaya ang lugar pag Instagramable yung kayo. Dito, dili binuang.
Ano lang mo dali guys? Ipakita na ko sa inyo ang atong night view. Night view. Ready?
Tagawan.
We're just roaming around. Yep. Second floor. Now we go into the third floor, which is like a balcony, like a porch or a rooftop. And I'm here with Chino. Chino was once in my Facebook video. So you and your friends can come here and just, have your pictures taken, Instagram, post it on the internet, and then look at this. Look at that, it's a wing. I have a question for you, Kutaw Question, Chino.
Ito na ang Kutaw Question!
Kutaw Question, not a mathematical question. Are you ready? The question is, what food or treat is that food that doesn't come on time? What is that? It's one word. It's a trick question. It doesn't come on time. It is.
I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm.
I want to put mine now. I can't think.
You can think?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to know? The food that does not come on time is... But right now, you know what? We're gonna go back there and just finish our food, right? Alright?
Wait, I thought you were done finishing.
I'm not done finishing my food. I just managed to because okay.
This is part of the app.
Yeah, right. Spotted it.
Jesus Christ.
And right now, I have a special guest for you. Oh, look at that! Look at that! What's your name, man? What's your name? Let them know. Let them know. Didang Deeds, otherwise known as Mark to the P.
Just look to the curse.
I have a Kutaw question for you, man.
Yes.
What kind of food does not come on time? It's like, this food does not come on time,
English,
man.
Tagalog,
It's like English. You can say it in Tagalog also. You can, you know what? That's it. You know?
Leche flan.
Leche flan is kind of part of that. Kind of part of that. But there's a better word for this. I can give you half of the points. You know.
Yeah.
Do you want to? Do you want to try again?
I'll bet 50%.
50% only.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give you the answer. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ang busy pa kayo nagkaon si Dudski, ako nang Kutaw question muna tayo. Dudski, unsa nga kaon or unsa nga treat or pagkaon ang dili on time. Dili siya on time.
What do you mean on time, sir? Nga, unsa nga pagka on time?
Nang basta ka ng sample mo na yung nga time, aya pa din siya. Madugay siya ba? Madugay.
Hindi siya pagkaon. Hindi siya untay nga pagkaon. Kana kita mong Kutaw Question, makutaw gid mong utok.
Dapat lang.
Sir, fine dining man day dapat mag-English na. Chaya.
Okay. What's the food that's not on time?
So meaning to say the food does not
Come in the time that is expected.
one. So easy.
What is the English of sus?
Sa bawi, sama ba ko doon sir? Ambot lang mo.
Mga tita na to. Nakoy Kutaw question. Unsa nga pagkaon or treat ang dili on time? Dili on time. Unsa nga pod ang dili on time? Hindi on time. Sirit na. Tita, Belen, and si Tito Lidjo. Ayan, Tita. Unsa nga pod ang dili on time? Unsa nga pod ang dili on time? Dili on time. Tama. Unsa nga pod ang dili on time? Na? Unsa nga pagkaon or treat ang kana bitang dili siya on time gyud. Pagkaon na dili on time. I want you to close your eyes and pray first. No. No, this is it, man. The food that does not come on time is chocolate. Just kinda like that. I'm just trying my best because it's 1 million subscribers. That's my aim. 1 million. 1 million. 1 million. Subscribe. The correct answer is chocolate.
Kinamay litan to. Marumok ito.
Edi chocolate. Edi chocolate. Chocolate.
I already heard that joke.
Earlier the time, I already chocolate. I heard chicken that before. You didn't answer that. You didn't answer that. You heard that. Chocolate. Chocolate is correct. Ay, wala ko ninyo nga na-press. Saan mo di ato na ko iba? Hindi iba.
Chocolate. Nakabalo na ko sa answer. I know the answer.
Thank you guys. Salamat guys. Dapat price ako. Kauna mo. Muna ako. Yan ang mga vloggers and vloggers ng Cagayan de Oro. Tita, congratulations. Yes! Archie, congrats. Congratulations. So there you go mga bigs. I'm going home na from Melquiades En Casa. Ayan. So if you want to visit here with your friends, you can visit from 5 to 9 in the evening and of course 12 so then paingon sa alas 2 sa Popi. So kita-kits yapon on the next one. So after this ang mga shoutouts ninyo and subscribe kung wala pa mo nakasubscribe. Alright? Until next time. Bye-bye!